Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Iraq. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get on this site called Coinbase, and here on Coinbase, when you're going to register through the link, you will get $10 for free of Bitcoin if you're going to invest $100. Then you're going to be here in Coinbase, and now you want to simply click on a Bitcoin and go on the right side and how much you want to buy. Let's go 100 euro. I can preview the buy here. And you see the purchase, the Coinbase fee, okay. And then you can also sell the Bitcoin in the future, quite simple, and sell now. And then you would come here to portfolio, and you see the asset here, euro, click on it, and I can simply withdraw the money. So this is pretty much it, how we can buy Bitcoin in Iraq. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya. One at a time.